Hello and welcome to a new episode from Mac the Tech. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the like button and click the bell so that you can receive all notifications as soon as I publish anything new on YouTube. Today's episode is not a hack, but it's something good, especially for people who protect their sheets and sometimes from time to time they forget how to unprotect them. So if you are one of these people who use Excel sheets and they use protection mode, this is very good for you because in any point in time, if you forget the protection password, you can bypass it in a very smart way. I know there's plenty of software that can do this for you, but this is the free way using only the laptop and a WinRAR or an extractor that can help you. Let's jump into the PC and see how we can do this in a very smart way and in an easy, simple way. On the computer, and we will see here we have an Excel sheet. It's called the aggregate function. It's from an old episode. I'll leave the link of the episode in the top corner of the screen. Opening this aggregate function, you can see immediately that I have protected this cell. And to see how to protect, just go to review, and in the UnProtect, I'll have the protect. I'll put the password and I will unprotect it. You see, this sheet is only protected by the formulas that are in here or the data that's in here. So if I go to review and I put a protect and I put a password, these are protected, and you can see that the rest are not protected, but these are protected, which is fine. But now what to do? How to unprotect this sheet in case I forgot the password? All I have to do is simply jump into the folder, and please don't use the same file. You don't want it to end up corrupt. Just copy the file and paste it again. You will have now a copy of the file. Now you need to change the extension to zip. If you can't see the extension, you go to view and you click on file name extension to tick. If you remove it, look, you don't have the name extension. If you click on it, the name of the extension comes back. All you have to do now is to change the extension name, the XLSX, into zip. You'll be asked to change it, say yes. Now it's changed. Now we can use any of like WinRAR or 7-zip. These are like basically the most two well-known extraction management applications. So I'm going to use the 7-zip. I'm going to open the archive, and once I open it, as you can see, I can see the archives here appearing like this. Now for you to understand what I'm going to do, you can have docprop XL and _rels. Go to XL, double click on it. You'll have here something called worksheets. Go to worksheets, you will find sheet 1. What I will do is I will carry sheet 1 and open it here. I will press Ctrl F for find, and I'll check if I have protection. And then I'll see that there is a protection, and here it is. You see, this is the protection. And I need to delete this from this open bracket to this bracket. I need this to be deleted. Okay, so what to do? It's in the extraction file. I cannot do it in here. I carry this file and put it in the folder here, and you can see now it's in the folder sheet1.xml. I right click on it and I go with edit, or I can open it with other software like Word or something, but just click edit on it. Once you click edit, Ctrl F to find the protection again. Find, and you can see here I found the protection. Here you have to be very careful. Click on before the opening of the greater sign or less sign, and shift, and with the right arrow you go over until you find the less or bigger signs before. which probably you will find where it say select locked cells, and here it is. You don't want to go over this or below. You just need the open and the closing of the greater or less sign. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. And click delete. Once you delete it, close this file, save, it's done. Now I need to bring this back, and then lucky in Windows you can drag and drop. Just drag it here. Are you sure you want to copy the file into archive? Yes. And it changed it. It took over this sheet 1 XML that was before. Now all I have to do, close the archive file. I close it. I go to the extension, zip. I change it back to XLSX so that it becomes an Excel file. Are you sure you want to change the name? Yes, I'm sure. Now, open this file. Wait for it to open. It opened, aggregate function copy.xlsx. And check it out. It's no more locked. So even if I forgot the password, I can easily unprotect it without any headache. But the thing is, you don't do this at work on somebody else's file. You do it on your own file if you forget the password. Please be careful when doing this because you might corrupt the files. So always remember that you need to make it on a copy file, not on the base file. The base file must always be protected. This is a must do. That's it for today. I hope this episode helped you in some of the problems that you faced in your life, especially using Excel and especially when you use protection. Please consider subscribing to the channel and thank you for being here until the end. Until I see you again in the next episode, adios.